Boil the water and put some pure, 100% acetone in a smaller pot, and place it on the hot water. Use a scrubby, or anything rough in the acetone. Put some hand cream or coconut oil in the acetone. It will protect your skin to dry out. Rub your fingers in the acetone on your scrubby. We are using a silicone one in this video. We are presenting how easy to soak off the product, if you do it properly. The secret is, the water has to be hot, and the acetone 100% pure one. On the phone, the time is the actual time. If you have extensions on, you have to do another method, otherwise it soaks off your tips as well. How to take off the color from extensions, you can find a video link in the description below. If you have got longer natural nails, and the product is thicker on them, it takes a bit longer. I have 1.5 layers of base natural, and 4 layers of color. The color has been soaked off already. Only the base and natural powder is left. If your nails are thin, and you do not want to be rough on them, you can keep the base natural layer, and do the preparation for the next set. It took us 5 minutes to soak off one hand.